Yes, like in the last one, what did we discuss is like we discussed about the printer statement and the scanner statement, right? And when we wanted like to just print simple statements, so we use printer. And whenever we wanted to accept the data, we had some protocol, and with the help of scanner statement, we were accepting the data. Correct?
Yeah.
Now, Suju, like just write down that compute age program for us. Okay? Can you write that?
In this.
Yes. So create one new file. Okay.
Here.
Welcome.
New.
No, wait.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Okay. So now you are in the click on C programming first in your yeah, not here. There's this source
Here.
code tab.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Then you create new file. Okay. There is this option, right? New file. If you go little up, little
Here.
more. Yes. So that's a new file. Okay. Click on that.
Hmm.
Now you say compute age.c.
Ph.c.
Yeah. Compute age.c. Yeah. So click on that file. Double click. Enter. Okay. Yeah. So write down for first statement always to compute the age. Okay. Give a comment statement. Comment statement meaning 2 forward slashes. Okay. Yeah. Then say compute age. Okay.
Compute.
Okay. Yeah. Hash include
That
stdio.h.
one.
Yeah.
Hash.
Okay. Yes.
Int
Come new
main.
line. Another new line. Another new line. Int main. Okay. Push power and flower bracket. Flower bracket. Push
Okay.
power. Okay. Yeah, enter. Now, what we need to do here, we have to compute the age of the person, correct?
Yes.
So what you need to do, you have to ask the user, enter your year of birth, okay? Okay. Now this year of birth, once you enter, you have to ask the user to enter that to you, right? Scanf.
All right.
Yeah. Open bracket, double quotes, %d. After the quotes, comma. After the quotes, comma. Okay. So once the user enters some number, so you should have a space to capture that. Okay. So for that, you have to have one variable declared for you. Okay.
Okay.
So go to line number 5 in the beginning, or line number 4 and enter. Go to line number 4 and enter. Say int space birth year. No space in between. Comma. This year. Comma age.
Year, comma.
This year, no comma, no space in between. Okay.
Okay.
And age. Okay. Semicolon. Yeah. Now you come to your scanf statement.
Okay.
Space. Ampersand. Birth year. Okay. Now go after the Chandrabandhan, give a semicolon. Yeah. Enter. So now let's just see what happens. Compile this code and run this code.
I need to mention that one, no? F flush.
Yes.
So again, a.exe cancel dot
Let's
slash.
do one thing. These binaries, whatever you're creating, dump it to some files. Okay. Compute age, say compute age. Okay. GCC, compile it again. Yes, GCC compute age dot c
dash o
space hyphen o space
output name.
compute age, or like you can give any name. Okay.
Okay, okay. So these all will go in that, right?
Yeah. So a.exe will not be overridden with the things.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So you will have your own file now, your own binary file.
And okay, now I have to click dot slash compute age.
Yes. What's happening?
.exe doesn't.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Again, I
Your
will
computing thing didn't come, right?
.exe. Compute age.exe.
While compiling, give it like .exe. Okay. For Windows, I think we have to give the exe things also.
I need to compile.
Compile and
Dot
yeah,
C
C hyphen O
hyphen O
compute age.exe you give.
compute age dot exe.
Yeah.
Now it came compute age dot exe. So
Now
now
you
slash compute.
tab you give.
Huh?
Tab.
Enter.
Tab.
Pressing tab. No, you need to press the tab.
I'm not getting, sorry.
Okay, just press
Above
tab now.
caps lock there is tab.
Oh, tab, okay.
No, not exe. Okay, so not C. You press delete C. E you type
E.
and give tab.
Okay, oh, this, okay, got it.
Okay, enter. Okay. It's getting deleted also, right?
The slash.
Do one thing. So you do one thing. This F flush thing you write after printf statement only.
No, that see you type that the backslash wrong, right?
Oh, yeah. One
At
minute.
terminal.
Okay, okay, 1 minute.
What
Dot
happened?
The backslash
slash.
was then.
No, it's gone now. It deleted that file. It's not there anymore.
Again,
Up arrow,
Delete
up arrow, up arrow. Click up arrow. Yes, one more. Yeah, enter.
enter. Okay, now I'm.
Arrow. Yes. Tab. Give tab. Hey, wait. Suju,
Let's
it's like
see,
dot.
it's taking, after clicking on tab, it's going, the slash
Yeah,
is changing.
So let's not do that then. Okay.
Manually.
Or I think you can just write compute age.exe. You don't need to give dot slash also. I feel so.
Okay, shall I remove?
Try. No, right? It needs dot.
Okay. Don't know.
Give F flush soon after printf statement.
Okay.
I think like your machine, you have to always, whenever you're using printf, you have to always use this F flush. Okay.
Okay.
Save, compile, run. We'll figure out an easy way out for this. Okay?
Have to do this one.
Yeah.
Okay. This one. I don't know what is going on.
I think I have to revisit your machine configurations completely.
Yeah. Today
That-
evening, like after your office timing, we can connect and we can check.
After this call, we'll connect. Okay. So because in the evening I have some other plans. I'll be busy for next
Oh.
3 days. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So let's begin. All right. Let me present my screen. Okay, girls.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, so Suju, we will revisit your complete configurations. All right. So let's
Yeah,
move
yeah,
forward.
okay.
Can you give me like, can we pause for like 10 minutes? I'll come back. I have a washing machine on. All right.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Thank you.
Mhm.
I'm really sorry, girls. Like I'll come back
Yeah,
in,
nice.
It's okay.
okay. Not half an hour, 15 minutes. Okay. Not even 15 minutes,
Okay.
10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, Sudeshna.
Hello.
We didn't introduce actually.
Yeah.
So you are from
I'm from Nepal actually.
Nepal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Currently staying there only.
I'm here for my master's studies actually in Sweden.
Okay, Sweden.
Uh, I met her here in during my study period, so I also asked her to teach me if she could.
Oh, yeah,
It's
actually,
been a,
she's very
yeah,
brilliant.
yeah. It's been a gap
She's
of almost 8 years, and
oh.
after that I again started my studies,
Mm-hmm.
and it's all code related, so
Oh.
I have forgotten everything till now.
Oh, nice.
So I also asked her for some help to teach me from
Mm.
the basics.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. For me, though, she is
Yeah.
from my that hostel friend,
Oh,
but I used to call her sister.
oh, you're right.
So after that, she came there for job and all. I
You're
also
working
like,
right now. You
yeah,
are
actually,
in India right now.
yeah, I am in India.
Mm.
So I want to like change my profile and all because now
Oh,
actually I'm working in customer support, but
oh.
it will
Mm.
not work out in
Yeah,
customer
yeah,
support how many years. So I thought like I did my engineering in computers only. So I thought like I will ask her help. So maybe
yes.
if I learn
Mm.
something, I can change the job
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all.
It's good. Mm.
So it's already 4 years gone. So I thought again
Yeah.
I will start.
Yes, it
For
happens.
start, for study too,
It's like
it's
that.
not
It
like
is
that. Like age is not a matter for study. So I thought let's start again new.
right. Mm. I was also only actually I'm from electronics and communication background,
Okay.
and I was working related to that actually. It wasn't coding at all. It was completely off the
Electrical.
topic.
Haha, yes, yes, yes. It's completely different.
And I wanted to actually learn. I wanted to be in software background, so
Hmm.
I applied for this
Okay.
computer science course, and now here I am again
Oh,
learning some more.
good actually. I will also try something. So you wrote any exam for that masters to go to that Sweden? No?
Oh no, we didn't have to give any exams. We actually came here directly through that consultancy. In Nepal, there is no provision of exams actually for us.
Okay, okay.
We contact through the consultancy, and they're the ones who help us getting into the
College
universities and
there and
everything.
something, no? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So how much
Mm.
it will charge and all?
Yes.
So Like how much, like money and all?
So most of them are pretty much frauds who ask for too much.
Oh.
For my case, they ask for, I think, for doing everything, for managing those documents and everything. They mostly, it was around 2 lakhs they asked for me. 1
Okay.
lakh was for showing that since we don't have that big bank transactions,
Yeah.
they have been showing that bank transaction as well.
Hmm.
And for completing all the courses, they took another 1 lakh was for that one.
Oh, okay, okay. Then
All
it's fine
around.
actually, because I
Mm,
checked for masters and all in America, that
yeah.
US, but
Mm.
they will like charge like almost 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs like that. So I thought I
That's
drop my
too much.
plan
Mm.
only.
Mm.
Because how much loan I will take, like years I need to do work there to get to pay this
Yeah, to
money
pay
and
that
all. Na?
much,
It's
that's too
so
much. Mm.
I'm thinking like that time only I drop my plan.
Mm.
So if it is less, I can try
Yeah,
maybe.
it is very
Now the
much
you
less
people
compared
also
to
there
the
to
way.
help.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then how is that their things you can manage my money and all?
Oh, money and everything. While I was back in Nepal, I was working as well, so I saved up some money and
Hmm.
brought that with me, making it converting into that travel card. Since
Okay.
we don't have directly access banks from Nepal to other countries,
Okay.
and for now I'm managing with that. And after
Hmm.
this, I'm also looking for some part-time jobs. I got
Hmm.
one for that paper distribution, something for weekends.
Hmm.
I have to go for interview though in the next week for that.
Okay.
And I'll also look for other jobs as well. Otherwise, I have my brothers abroad in 2 countries.
Hmm.
They will be helping me if I ever need anything.
Oh, okay, okay. Fine.
That's why it has become a bit easier for me.
Yeah, that only. Like someone
Otherwise, it
should be
would be
there.
pretty hard. Mm.
Yeah, someone should be there, then it will be little helpful only.
Yeah, yeah. So you have
Yes.
any plans for going somewhere after this? Or
I'm thinking like actually to come to abroad only, but don't know what will happen. So
yeah,
like
yeah.
at
Mm.
least I need someone. If I know, then I can try.
Yeah, that would be
That's
better.
the
Mm.
reason I'm asking you.
Okay.
Yeah, I will ask Shamadi also. I will discuss with her like if any opportunities there, then obviously I will
Mm.
come there.
Mm.
At least like 1 2 years I will. I need to struggle hard. Then
Right,
I will.
right. Mm.
Then I will see. Maybe if it's good opportunity, it's fine there. I'll
Yeah.
talk with her also because as you said, it's like 2 lakh. It's fine. Like then it's almost good actually because as I checked with every in other countries, like I said to you that America, some of my relatives are there, so they said like 25 lakh, 30 lakh. I don't. I
Mm.
after listening that only I dropped seriously. After that much, so it's so difficult.
Do you not have any consultancies there in India? They are the ones actually helping.
Oh, but you got actually good consultancy, I think, because
Yeah,
people will get na fake also so many.
yeah,
We
yeah.
don't
Some
know
ask
which.
for too much as well. Actually,
Money
someone
also.
else, a friend of my mother, introduced us to that consultancy. So I guess because they know us as well, so that's why they might have taken a bit less from us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that
That
also.
might be the reason
Yeah,
as well.
someone actually we need to know like any how. Then it's
Yeah, yeah.
helpful actually.
Mhm.
Let's see what the things because yet I'm not. I don't know. And first of all, I need to prepare. I need good time to prepare everything. Then only I can give
Yeah, prepare
interviews.
everything. Mhm.
But I to heard like after masters in that foreign only, then you can get a good opportunity there also.
Right, right, right. Mhm.
That's why I'm thinking. Obviously, money also will get more compared to
Right.
India.
Mhm.
Check, I'll see. I thought like so many people will wrote exam, right? IELTS something. So I thought maybe
Yeah.
you also wrote some exam and all that. So
No, that's why I was pretty surprised when people, other Indians here were talking about how much you got for exam and everything. So I was pretty confused about what they were talking about.
yeah, that
So
you
because we
said
didn't
you
have to give
didn't
any
wrote a
exams, so
that will I also got shocked that you didn't wrote any exam. How you went and the
yeah,
money also see it's very less. Very
yes.
matlab very less compared to.
I was also pretty confused about what they were talking about, asking about marks and everything.
Yeah, seriously, that's why. But like it's fine, right? After because I graduated on like 2017 something, but these many years gap is there. I don't know everything. I need to know
Yeah,
whether
you need
they
to
will
recall
give.
everything by studying on it, right?
Hmm. So I don't know whether they will agree. Or fine, then I can manage this one too. But here I don't know how much they will charge. I think here they will charge more only.
Right, maybe. You can
Hmm.
visit different consultancies and gather
Yeah.
some knowledge about them.
Mm-hmm.
Although after finding out, I think you guys have that scholarship.
Yeah, scholarship also will be there, na? You
Yeah,
don't have.
that as well. I didn't know about it, so I I didn't got the chance to apply for that scholarship. Otherwise, we also had that scholarship
Yeah,
scheme,
that
but
only I. Oh, you should have
yeah,
applied.
yeah,
Because everyone, whoever is going to apply, they will choose for the scholarship one only because at least some
right.
money, though they will say.
Yeah, yeah. I
It's good.
completely forgot about that.
Yeah.
After coming here, then only I got reminded
Your
about
accent
scholarship.
also completely changed it like foreigners. I thought you said this and I thought like okay, you are from the Pakka, Sweden. The way you will talk, maybe after going there, automatically it will change talking with the people.
But for the people here, the Swedish people and European people, they don't need to pay anything. Everything is free for them.
Seriously.
Right. Only for us non-Europeans, us
Huh.
foreigners, we are the only ones who's paying for these tuition fees and everything.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, most of them are just studying here freely. So they are not serious about studies. They will study if they want to, and they won't if they don't want to.
Oh. So where you are staying there?
I mean, staying here in their student boarding house that they had assigned me,
Like hostel type.
something like that. They give their own rooms for each students.
Mm-hmm.
Right, there's boarding house, right, hostels, something like that.
So how is the everything there? And food and all obviously you will miss here. There.
I applied for the single room type, so I have my own bathroom attached. But as for the kitchen, four people share that kitchen. We have to cook for ourselves.
Okay, 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 okay.
But it is fine for now.
Then to fine
As for
as we
the
can.
mm, there is group one as well, where in the group one rooms, most of the 10, 12 people share that the kitchen and bathroom, I think.
Hmm.
Yeah, we have to apply for way
Hmm?
3 months prior or way before if we need room as well. There is too
Oh,
much demand for the rooms as well.
oh,
So we have to be on the queue for previous 3 months prior or a lot of time before.
oh,
It is
Hello.
also a bit hard to find, yeah, rooms as well.
oh. I think.
Hello, people. I'm back.
Yeah, yeah. Hi, Dee.
Hey. Uh,
Hello,
sorry for the interruption. Okay.
No issue.
it's okay.
Would you mind if I extend today's session a little longer?
Okay.
Oh, it is still recording. Okay, good. Okay, listen. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. So yesterday's session, like what we discussed is like we discussed about this creating the program, right? So greeting the users and blah, blah, blah things. And we even had that compute age problem statement, right? I think I wrote that and I didn't copy it here. Okay. So write a program to compute age. Program to compute age. Okay. So what we will do now is like I'm going to create one file, source file. Okay. I'll say compute age.c. Okay. And in this compute age.c, so what I'm going to do first, I'll ask the user, click see, enter your year of birth. Okay. And I'll say colon, and I don't want a new line. I want him to print here only. Okay. Then what I need to do, I have to have a scanf statement to accept integer. So to accept integer, I need %d, right? And I have to store this somewhere, right? So for this, I'm going to create the year of birth year, right? Here is a one variable what I'm going to create, right? So what I'll do, first of all, I have to declare it, okay? So int birth year, right? And then I need a variable to say this year, okay? So this year. And then I need age, computed age to be present somewhere. So I am keeping all of these things here. Okay. So this is my naming conventions. So you can use any kind of naming conventions what you want. Okay. So what I'll do usually is I'll go for camel casing, where birth is one letter for me and year is a new letter. So any new things I'll start with the capital letter. Okay. And then the user will enter the value for me. So what I'll do, I need to compute age. Age is equal to, I'll say this year minus birth year. Okay. So what is this? This is going to compute me age. So what I need to print? So you are, okay. So you are, I'll say you are %d years old as of now. So what is the result I'm going to print? I'm going to print age. Okay. So this is not making sense to you right now, but just bear with me for some time. Okay, I'll explain. So now what I need to do, first of all, I need to compile this code. So for compiling GCC, I have to go for compute age. Output I'm going to save it to age. Okay. Okay. So what did it do? So it said like a redeclaration of age with no leakage. Where is it? Oh, I already have this here. All right. So let me delete this guy out. I don't need you. All right. So compiled. All right. Then what it said, like %d, then integer. It says %d or expected argument is integer, but argument type has 2. Okay, I did another mistake. I have to give ampersand here. Okay. All right. So let's compile it again. It compiled smoothly. Now I'll say age. Okay. So what it asked me, what is your year of birth? I'll say 2000. Okay. Oh, okay. So 2000. So 2000 is my year of birth. So what it said, oh man, it is computing idiotic things, right? So why idiotic things? Because here, what exactly is happening? This year is not declared, is not assigned any value. Okay. So what I need to do, first of all, I should say this year is equal to what? 2023, right? So if I assign this one, then the computation will be proper. So compile the code, run the code again. I'll say 2000. Now it prints 23 years old. Good, right? So now what exactly we did here is like we gave this value here, correct? Now let's say year of birth. Okay. Now let's say like okay. Okay. So how long your session is? Okay. Now let's say like how long is our session? So it is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, like that, correct? So now let's have one more program. Let's compute one. Let's have one more program. Okay. I'll say display duration. Okay. Display duration. Okay. Now what should it do? I'm not giving anything here. Okay. So I'm just giving, let's not have age or anything. I'll just say duration. Okay. So duration. So let's ask the user. Okay. Enter your class duration. Okay. Enter your class duration. So now what will happen? the user will enter the duration thing. So I'll keep it in the duration variable. And then we don't have to do anything. We just have to display, okay, you are busy for percentage D hours. Okay. Hello.
Yes, please.
So now we will compile. Oh, sorry. I have to compile this guy. I have to compile display duration. Okay. Now I'll say okay. Dot slash enter duration 3 hours. Okay. So you are busy for 3 hours. Now I'll compile. I'll run this code again. I'll say 5 hours. I'm busy. It says I'm busy for 5 hours. Now let's say like my class can be for 4.3 hours also. Sorry, 1.5 hours also, right? Hello?
Right.
Or it can be like say 2.5 hours class session I have. Okay, it is possible, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Now, what it says?
You are busy for 2 hours only. There is no point floating.
0.5.
What happened to the point? It is gone somewhere, right? So we should have a proper handling of all these kind of things. Let's say I'm busy for 3.6 hours. There's some mess going on, right?
Yeah.
So there is something called like data types. All right. Before we go to data types, so let me just tell you. Okay. So can you buy me 1 kg of rice? Sudeshna, can you buy me 3 liters of milk?
Yes.
Yes. Right. Now let's say I put it like this. So can you buy me 3 liters of rice?
Liters, no. Liters.
Sudeshna, can you buy me half a kg of milk?
No, it won't be in cases.
Okay. Now I will say like okay. Now let's say like I am 300 kilometers. My weight is 78 kilometers. Okay. Does that make sense?
No.
My weight is 78 kilometers. Does it make sense?
No.
No, the unit value is wrong.
Why is it not making sense? When I said like when I'm saying okay, when I said 3 liters of rice, right? So when I said 3 liters of rice, what's the difference? And why can't I say 3 liters of rice? And why can't I say I'm 65 kilometers weight? Okay. So basically what would happen here is every physical quantity has a unit of measurement. Right?
Yes.
So what is this
Right.
liters or meters or kgs or like centimeters or inches, or you take like grams or like take seconds, hours, minutes, whatsoever. All these are units used to measure a specific physical quantity. Correct? Now, when I say time you measure it in units of times are what? So you can measure it in hours,
Hours, minutes,
or
seconds.
like let's say like you can measure it in seconds, minutes, hours, days, right? Weeks, years, right? Then you can even say months, right? So months, years, and then decades, centuries. Then you have light years also, right?
Right.
So time, what is time? Time is a physical quantity which is measured in one of these units, correct?
Yeah.
Now, when I say distance, how do you measure distance? You measure it with meters, feet, yards, right? Kilometers. There are so many units. All these are used to measure distance, correct?
Yes.
Now, weight. How do you measure weight? Weight is measured in terms of grams,
Gram,
kilograms,
Kilo.
tons.
pound, ounce, right? And you have so many other things, right?
Right.
Yeah, Sudeshna?
Right.
Anything else? So it is possible, right? Weight is measured in all these things. Correct?
Yes.
Now, when I go to distance, even it has like centimeters, inch, correct? Millimeters, all these things. So now, what are these actually? These are units, correct? Now let's stick our discussion like this, okay? Suju, can you buy me 1 kg of upma rava? Yes. So
Yes.
upma rava, Suju will buy how much? 1 kg for me, right? Okay. Now I'll say, Suju and Sudeshna, you people are invited for snacks at my home, okay? And I'll be cooking 70 kgs of upma for 3 of us. What's wrong here?
70 kg is too much. We can't eat.
Right? So actually this quantity doesn't fit the requirement there, right?
Yeah.
Now, if I would have been cooking it for like say some 1,000 people, then 70 kg upma makes sense. Right? So now what would happen is, now upma, how much should I make it for 3 people? Maybe a cup of upma is sufficient, right?
Yeah.
So now a cup of upma at my home, a cup is actually a big kadhai. Is it okay?
Big kadai, no.
Not okay. So the cup also has a meaning there, right? So what would happen is the smallest possible quantity of measurement what you can have, right? So that is actually a standard reference we call, okay? Okay. Now, when it comes to the information sector, and the world of programming, computer programmings, now let me ask a question to you. Suju, what is the capacity of the memory of your phone?
60, 128 GB.
128 GB, right? Sudeshna, what is the capacity of your mobile?
120 gigabytes.
Just a minute. I'm getting a call again. A few minutes, please.
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hadi.
Yeah. So what exactly your configurations are, Suju? So it is 125 GB.
120.
So probably Sudeshna might have 32 GB. I'm just guessing it, okay? 32 GB.
Okay.
And let's say I'm a poor girl, okay? I have a mobile of 8 GB. Now, who is like lucky in the mobile phones now? Definitely you'll say Suju.
28.
GB, right? And who's like moderately lucky? It's Sudeshna. And like who's not lucky at all? It is Shama, right? When you said 128 GB, okay, 128 is a number. GB, you said, right? What does GB stands for?
Gigabyte.
Gigabyte, right? Now, the initial mobiles, what we used to get, right? So let's say like, what is the RAM size of yours, Sudeshna?
4
GB RAM, right? And can we say like yeah, so buffer size, how will I say? Okay, so 4 GB of memory, right? Now, what would happen? What exactly this 4 GB indicates here is like 4 GB is less than 128 GB for sure, but it is some memory. So here, what exactly the unit is? Byte. Okay. Now, when we were checking for what configurations of machine we have, so Sudeshna said she has 64-bit machine, right? And what is the configuration of my machine? 32-bit machine, right? Correct? Now, this is what is bit, what is byte, okay? If you want to understand these things, these are the units of measurement of digital data, okay? How do you measure digital data? Digital data is measured in terms of bytes or bit.
Okay.
Clear? So now, what is the unit of measurement for weight? Mass, basically mass. It is kgs. Standard unit is kgs. Likewise, the standard unit for measurement of information is bit or byte. Okay? Now, when we say byte, 1 byte of information, 1 byte of information is actually equal to 8 bits put together. Okay? 8 bits put together. Now, what is the least possible information? What is the least possible information is 1 bit of information. 1 bit of information is the least possible information in the digital world. Clear? So 1 bit, matlab 1 bit is the least possible thing. Either it can be 0 or it can be 1. Okay? All good? Any questions here? Okay. Right now, remember, what is bit? Bit is the least possible information. The least possible information is bit. Unit of information is 1 bit and 1 byte. When we say 1 byte, it is a collection of 8 bits. Clear? Clear? Now, this point is very clear, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what we do is like, let's just understand something. Okay. So when I say 1 bit of information, 1 bit matlab, it can be either 0 or it can be 1. Okay. So what is this? This is 1 bit. What is this? This is also 1 bit. Okay. 1 bit of information. The value of 1 bit here is 1. The value of 1 bit here is 0. Clear? Okay.
Right.
Understanding, Suju?
Yes.
Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll write 0, 0. What is this? This is 2 bit of information.
Okay.
What is this?
2 bit.
2 bit of information. Now I'm giving you a little theory. It could be little boring, but bear with me for this. Okay, if you understand these concepts, right? So it's going to be like really solid. Okay. Now, now I'm just writing some numbers. Okay, you just tell me what these numbers are. Okay, I'm writing 2. I'm writing 3. I'm writing 4, I'm writing 5, I'm writing 6, I'm writing 7, I'm writing 8, I'm writing 9, I'm writing. After this, what do I write?
10.
After this, we write 10, right?
10.
After this, we write 1, 0, right? 10. After this, what do? We write 1, 1, we write 1, 2, we write 1, 3, We write 1 4, we write 1 5, we write 1 6, we write 1 7, we write 1 8, we write 1 9. After this, what do we write?
20.
20.
Now let's just understand this part, okay? So what exactly this is? This is a decimal number system. What is this? This is a
Decimal number
decimal
system.
number system. When I say decimal number system, actually deci meaning 10, okay? Decimal meaning 10, okay?
Hmm.
This is a number system where our counting is facilitated with 10 distinguished symbols. Okay?
Mm.
So what are those 10 distinguished symbols? 10 unique symbols, that is 0, 1,
0 to
2, 3,
9.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 10 unique symbols by which our counting is facilitated. How do we represent once we run over of these unique things? We go for a combination of these things. We go for a combination of these numbers. What did we do? We use the same set of numbers, but we positioned the numbers and we gave a higher weightage to this number here. Right?
Mm.
So what is this? This is actually 1 0, meaning it is actually 1 into 10 plus 0. Correct?
Mm.
The similar thing, if I take it here, 11 meaning what? It is 1 star 10 plus 1.
1.
Correct?
Mm.
Likewise, let's say like you represent as some big number. Let's say like, let's just take 2078. Okay. Or let's just have one more number here. 2378. Okay. How do you spell this? 2378, you say. Correct?
Yeah.
But in practice, how do you write this one actually? 2 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Correct?
7.
Right?
3 into 100.
7.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Mm.
3 into 100. Right?
Mm.
Now what would happen here? Now, if I simplify this correctly again, this is actually 10 to the power 3.
3.
Correct?
Mm.
Plus, right?
Mm.
This is what? 3 into 10 to the power
2 to power 2.
2.
2 plus 7 into 10 to the power
1.
1.
1 plus 8 into 10 to the power
0.
10 to the power
0.
0. Understanding this? So what exactly we did here to represent a bigger number, we are using the combination of the unique numbers only, but as and when you move to the left of the positions, the weightage of the values you're increasing, right?
Mm.
So this is how our number systems have evolved. Why decimal system is very popular? Because human beings have 10 fingers. Okay. Now let's say a planet. Suppose if human beings were having 8 fingers. Okay. If human beings were having 8 fingers, then what would be that? It would be called as octal number system. What is that called as?
Number system.
Octal number system. Octal number system meaning how many distinguished symbols? 8, right?
8.
So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then
8.
8 is not possible because you don't have
Okay.
8.
0 to 7.
0 to
So it would be
0 to
again
7.
what? It would be 1 0.
Okay.
It would be 1 1. It would be 1 2.
1
It would
2.
be
1
1
3.
3.
1
1
4.
4. 1 5. 1 6. 1 7. 1 7 के बाद
2 2 0.
2 0. Right? It will be what? 2 0.
2
Now,
2 1.
okay. Now, what exactly here it is? The weightage here is what? 1 into 8 plus 0. Why 8? Because we are in octal system.
Octal. Okay.
Okay. So now actually if you want to convert this to decimal, so it is equivalent number is what? 8, right?
Okay.
In the octal system, you represent 8 as 10.
1 0.
Okay. In the octal system, 1 means 1 multiplied by 8 plus 1, which is
9.
actually your decimal
9.
9.
Hmm.
Clear?
Hmm.
Is this clear, girls?
Yes.
So what does 20 mean here? 2 into 8
8
plus 0.
plus 0.
What is
16.
this? This is actually
16.
16. 16 in decimal is 20 in octal system.
Yeah.
Clear?
Hmm.
Now, let's say like if human beings had 4 fingers, we are quadrant system. We are quadrant
Quadrant.
system. Quadrant system meaning base 4. Okay. How
Hmm.
many distinguished symbols? 0,
0,
1,
1, 2, 3.
3. After
Yeah.
this,
1 0.
1, 0. So 1, 0 here means what?
1 1.
1, 2. Okay. 1, 0 here means what?
1 0 4.
1
1
1
into
multiplied
1
by
into
4
4 plus
plus
0.
0. Okay. So this is
Hmm.
what? This is octal system.
Okay.
Okay.
Quad.
Sorry, this is quadrant
Quadrant.
system.
Quadrant.
Now let's say binary system. Binary meaning how many distinguished symbols?
2.
2. What are the possibilities?
0 1
0 1.
1. And after that?
1 0
1 0.
1 1
1, 0,
Oh, 1
1,
0 1
1.
1 1.
After that,
2 0.
Only that.
2 is not there.
Okay. 1 0
Then
0.
perfect. Perfect. I'm so proud of you, Suju. Okay. Then
1 1 1
1 0 1
1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0.
1 0.
Yeah. 1, 1, 1.
1 1 1.
Right?
Hmm.
So this is actually your binary system. This is actually the language your machines understand.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's just say like what does this mean? Okay. What does this or like let's just see like what does this mean? Okay. What does this mean? 1 0 means 1 into
2
2
0 2 2
plus 0.
plus
0
What is this? This is 2, right?
2.
Now let's just convert this guy now. 1 into some number plus 0 into 2, you know this, plus 1 into 1, right?
1.
So it is actually 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. Okay. So what exactly this number is here? This is actually
5.
yes,
5.
5. Okay. So if you have number 5, this is how your machine is going to understand.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Clear till here?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So what is the least possible information you have? 0 or 1, correct? So these are called as bit information. This is 1 bit. This is also 1 bit, right?
Okay.
Now what is this? This is 2 bit of information. This is 3 bit of
3
information.
bit of information.
Okay. Likewise, if I keep extending my theory, okay, I can have a big number also, correct? Now let's just understand. Okay. Is this clear? Till here it is clear, girls?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh, very good. So now what do we do? Now I'm taking the same set of values again. Okay. Taking the same set of values here again. Right? Now you tell me if I write, sorry, if I write 0 like this, or I write say 0 0. Any difference? Any difference to the value?
No.
Let's take it like this. In the decimal system, okay, we were here, right? So whether I write 19 or I write 0019, any difference? Any difference? 19 is same as 00019, right?
No,
Yes or no?
I think no.
Yes, it is,
Cause
right?
It is after 0, so.
See, weightage didn't differ, just the representation differed, right?
yeah.
The 190 makes difference, but
Okay,
appending
okay,
a
yeah.
zero before to that makes no difference,
Okay.
right?
Yes, yes.
So append as many zeros you want at the left, it makes no difference actually,
Okay.
right? So now this is 1 bit of information. This is 2 bit of
2
information,
bit of information.
but the value is same,
Is same.
right? Now, if I want to represent 1 in 2-bit representation, so how am I going to write 0, 1?
0, 1.
Okay. Now, this one, it is already in 2 bits. This is already in 2 bits. This is in 3 bits, right?
3 bit.
So, but if it is in 3 bits, but I'm representing it in 2 bits format, then what do I need to do? 0, 1, 0, 0.
Okay.
Understanding?
Oh, okay. Left side you are adding 0, but the
I
fine.
am padding zeros. What I'm doing?
Because of adding 0. Because we want to make 2 bit.
Yes. Okay. Now, let's say if I want to go for like 4-bit representation, what do I want to go? 4-bit representation.
4 bit.
In that case, what do I need to go do? 0, 0,
0, 0, 0, 0, yeah.
0,
0,
0.
0.
Okay. So the same thing, this one I have to represent like 0,
0,
0, 1, 0,
0.
right? This is actually
0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1.
1. Now this can be, I don't have to go for like extra thing, right? So
Yeah.
0, 1, 0.
1, 0, 0.
Now next one,
0, 1, 0, 1.
0, 1. Next one,
0, 1, 1, 0.
0, 1, 1, 0. Next one,
0, 1, 1, 1.
0, 1, 1, 1. Next one, 1,
1,
0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 0.
Next,
1, 0,
1, 1, 1, 0,
0,
0, 1.
right? So this theory continues, correct?
Yes,
1,
yes.
0, 0, 1,
0, 0.
1, 0.
1,
Okay?
0.
1, 0, 1, 1. Next is 1, 1,
1,
0, 0.
1, 0, 0.
Next is 1, 1, 0, 1. Next
0,
is 1, 1, 1, 0.
1.
Next is 1, 1, 1, 1. After that, after that, 0, 0, 0, 1,
Okay.
0, 0, 0, 0.
Okay.
Okay? Make sense?
Yeah.
Make sense, Sudeshna?
Yes, 8 bit.
Making sense? Hello, girls, understand this.
Yes,
This
yes,
is very
yes.
important.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
4 bit, 8 bit.
Okay? When you represent the data in terms of bit, you have no problem at all because everything is bits. Okay? When you
Okay.
represent data in terms of 4 bits each, we call it as nibble representation. We call it as what?
Nibble representation.
Nibble representation. Okay? And when you represent the data in 8-bit format, we call it as byte representation. We call it what?
Byte.
Byte representation. Suppose the same thing, if you want to represent it in byte format, then it is 0000 00.
0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 8 bits equal to 1 byte, right?
Yes. Okay.
Got it.
Actually, your computer has a least unit of 1 byte.
Okay.
Clear? Understanding this part?
Yeah.
So what I suggest you is like just make sure that what works you do here, okay? And on Monday we will extend our theory further for this, okay? Now girls, like just the question, okay? What you need to do is you have to convert the numbers from like this number, whatever I wrote. So what is its decimal equivalent number? What is its decimal equivalent number?
Oh,
You need to give time D because you cannot just say like this, right? So what you do
11.
first?
1 in
11. 1,
I think
2,
11.
8.
Mm.
Perfect. It is 11. Okay. Very good. Okay.
Mm.
This is clear. Till here it is clear.
Yeah.
What is byte? What is bit? Clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now just let us recall whatever we studied. Okay. We studied decimal system, right? We studied octal system. We studied quadrant system. We studied binary system. Now let us go for something called hexadecimal system.
Okay.
Hexa.
Decimal system.
Hexadecimal matlab 16 distinguished symbols.
Okay.
16 distinguished symbols. What are those? 0,
0, 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9.
9, 10.
10 is the repetition, right? You need a distinguished symbol.
A, B, C, D, E.
Okay.
16 distinguished symbols. Okay,
I
clear?
think. Okay.
So here 0 means 0, 1 means 1, 2 means 2, 3 means 3, 4 means 4,
4,
5, 5, 6,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
7, 8, 8,
8,
9,
9,
9. A
8.
means actually decimal systems 10 is the decimal.
1, 0.
Okay. So when you want to represent 10 in hexadecimal, what do you need to write? If you write A, that is sufficient. You don't have to specify it as 10 as we do it in hexadecimal. Clear?
Yeah.
So 11, 12, right?
Right.
13, then you have 14, then you have 15.
15.
When you want to represent 16, you ran out of symbols here, so it is 0.
Okay.
Clear? Is it good?
Yes.
Okay, so this is number system conversions. All right. So just have in mind that like all these things are present, and this is how your computer is going to understand. Okay. Mostly we will deal with this part in the next sessions. Okay. All right. Clear till this point? This theory is clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
You can write to me as well the questions. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. So Suju, let's think about your machine maybe in another 4 hours, after 4 hours. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Okay.
Okay. Sure. Have a nice day, girls. We'll meet on
Yeah.
Monday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day, you too. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.